In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to integrate Airtable with Google Sheets. So let's get started. So first of all is that you want to open up a project here in Airtable and just simply click here on Add or Import button on the project that you have opened or used. From here, click on that, and then now you would have this drop down. You just simply need to click here on the Google Sheets, which is this one. And then after that, you can now select a Google Sheets account. And from here, you would now be able to click on Manage Connected Accounts or Connect New Google Account if you haven't connected one already. I'm going to connect New Google Account, and it will now prompt me with the selections. I'm just going to go for my account right here for this tutorial and click on Continue. And now from here, I can see, edit, and delete only the specific Google Drive files to use in this app. And then once it's now connected, is that I now have it right here. So I can select that account here now. And from here, I will now be able to see all the spreadsheets or the files that is in that Google account. So I could now go for this spreadsheet, for example, and click on Select. And from here, it's now going to scan the data in that spreadsheet in my Google Sheets account. And then from here, you can click on Create New Table, Time Entries, Task People, and many more. So yeah, as for this one, it's just this. So I'm going to click on Next. And then this is how it's going to look like right here. So you could also adjust this, adjust the fields right here, and then the values. But yeah, this is just a sample one, so it's a mess right here. But if you have real data to import right here using your Google Sheets account, it should look good. And then if not, then you can just edit it right here if something looks wrong. And click here on Other Settings. You also have these options right here. And import once you are done. And now it's importing the data, and then we should now be able to see that right here on this menu right here at the top, where you can see your Google Sheet being imported. So yeah, that is basically it for this video on how you could integrate Airtable with Google Sheets. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.